Johnny Rock? Yeah, they're from the Big Island. Beautiful double back shot.
My thought was too early.
There's no way you're going to put Rotten away down here. He's dreaming. Sure what is he going to the corner? Maniac is stunned. He's just getting screwed up all over the place. They're trying to push him back in the ring. His own teammates good. This is the first time. You're right. Yeah, it's true. I agree. Yes, the keepers definitely want him in there to soften up the opponent, and then he'll probably rush it in. Afraid of this big guy. No, because nobody's in their class. Nash! Superfoot loves the T-bird.
Hey, Johnny! Hi, Jen. Hey, what's going on?
He's just playing possum. An easy 2 count. There you go. Taking the shortcut. Of course. It was well timed, well played, and it turned the match in his direction. I've
But
seen him
those
do.
are one of the reasons why those guys are tag team champs with T-Birds.
Yeah. Well, they've got the power, they got the experience, they got the class, and they definitely got the titles. I mean,
What are they going to summer school? That's the only class they're getting.
oh, a headbutt. Where you don't want to have a headbutt. That was a bad place for a headbutt. There's a real good place for a headbutt.
That's going to result in a pulled groin, and I don't mean in a Johnny Fabulous pulled groin kind of way.
Well,
Manhandling the referee. Donnie Rotten now going to work on one of the Islanders.
one of the Islanders is trying to
Everybody
break that
pairing
up,
off.
but
Metal
now-
Maniac and
Yep. Oh, they're both getting the upper hand now.
Jimmy Snuka with Hollywood Johnny Rat Nash.
Yep.
Sorry, that was a little Freudian there. In the far corner. To the ropes. Missing a clothesline. What were you thinking, Donnie Rotten, with that clothesline attempt?
Looks like Johnny
Out
Rotten
the ring
took a
goes
stiff uppercut.
Kaoku.
it looked like. Well,
Kahoku
I gotta
is
give
our
it
other
to you.
Islander.
The Islanders are in control now.
Superfly Jimmy Snuka with these chops in the corner on Hollywood Johnny Nash.
He's cranking those chops. Irish whip into the turnbuckle. Reversal. Uh-oh.
The belts are not on the line, but Hollywood Johnny Nash does not want to be the victim of a pinfall loss here.
No, he doesn't. That would result in
To
a
the
title
top.
for the title.
I thought if anyone was going to go to the top tonight, it would be the Superfly, but here goes Johnny Nash.
Oh,
Jimmy
no,
Snuka
he's
finds
caught.
out just in time, and over the top with a slam he goes. 1, 2, and I think that's a victory for the Pro Wrestling Hall of Famer, Superfly Jimmy Snuka. I'm sure he will be recognized someday for all of his contributions to professional wrestling.
I can't believe it. Surely Armageddon must be with us. The world has ended, and the tag team champions have lost their belts.
They have been defeated. Jimmy Snuka and the Big Islanders. Big victory over the T-Birds and the Metal Maniac. Let's not forget Big Dog, who was in their corner cheering them on the whole time, helping keep Johnny Fabulous at bay.
This is absolutely horrendous. I can't believe I'm seeing this.
Horrendous nothing, Superfoot.
How did that happen? I blinked and
The
I
Big
missed it.
Islanders, they're holding the belts as if they're their own. I know that this was not a title match. The T-Birds are still the tag team champions of Powerhouse Wrestling. But Jimmy Snuka, the pinfall victory to cap off this night of Powerhouse Wrestling. Mayhem in May. It's been a pleasure to be here with you tonight for Johnny
Thank you
Fabulous,
very
Big
much.
Dog, Superfoot, Colin. I'm Doc Siddell. For Chris Sitaro's Powerhouse Wrestling, it's been amazing to be with you for Mayhouse and May.
It's been a great night.
in
Great
Mayhem.
night. Lots of great matches. Here we got the new champions. Yeah. But I can't help but be sort of disappointed. I didn't get to see Donnie Rotten really lay down the smack.
And say what you want about Big Dog. I know they got the better of him during Chris's corner, but if you look at him, who's he in the ring with? The winners.
That's true. Big Dog is in the ring with the winners right now. He's feeling it too. I just hope he doesn't abuse his power in that position. You know, he might lead these Island guys astray.
Lead these Island guys, a guy of that size, and the way he is such a wrestling fan, I don't see how it hurts to have him at ringside. And I won't be surprised at all if you see the Islanders take the tag team championship away from the T-Birds.
All right. Well, how long are
Maybe
they
that'll
gonna
happen
keep
at
it?
our next card, September.
September 17th.
That's when you'll see Powerhouse Wrestling back in effect.
Yep. That's sure to be quite an event.
Chris Sitaro spoke about the superstars appearing at that event.
Yep. That's it.
That'll be happening in September. For Johnny Fabulous, Colin Superfoot, I'm Doc Siddell. Thanks for watching.